Welcome back to another adequate unboxing video. Today we have the illumiknobi white. This is a doorknob. It's got a sticker here saying, oh, I don't live in California. Okay. Pin and tumbler studio. And then some other things that I can't read. Let's go ahead and crack this open. All right. Haha. All right. Put this down. Oh. Wow. Very neat. Remove before use. Oh wow, look at that. Came right out. And now it works. Ooh, ooh, it's blinking. Could you see that? Did you see that? Was it because I touched it? Oh my gosh. What in God's name? Look at it. Look at this. Wow. I'm definitely. Oh. Just throw that. Oh boy, that is heavy. Okay, let's try to get this out of the box. Oh boy. Okay. Let's just set that down right there. Okay. What else we got in here? There is a letter. Thank you. Oh, well, thank you. It's a little deep in there. Oh, 54 divided by 100. We appreciate your order from Pin and Tumbler Studio. Fun. There's something else in there. How does that even happen? This is empty now. Ah. Neat. We've got this. Got this thing. Got some screws. Oh, look at this. Oh, some instructions. This. What else we got? We got some tools. We got, oh Lord, another one of these things. All right, we've got a picture here. It's nice. Oh, I am not prepared to actually install any of this. I think I have the gist. Got it. Beautiful. We've got the knob, just the knob here. I read the instructions. It's got to be a bit darker in the room to get this thing to turn on. So give me a sec. Okay, so I made it a bit darker in here. Actually, I don't know why I was whispering. Now it will commence. Haha! Oh! Look at all those little dots. Incredible. Got some paper so we can put the knob on it. And you can really see how it lights up. I just, ooh, look at that. Wow. All right, well, this has been illumiknobi.